And good afternoon, Rutgers. Tyler Case here in the Weather Watcher studio with your Tuesday afternoon edition of Weather Watcher for November 26th, 2013. We are watching this storm heading our way for you guys, and as you take a look at our radar as of 2:45 p.m. this afternoon, you can see just how big it is, spanning across pretty much the entire eastern seaboard, and we do expect this to take quite a while to move through our area, as you can see as it pushes its way northeast. Don't expect the tail end of this to move out of our area until around Wednesday evening, possibly very early Thursday morning, but we'll have those details for you in just a little bit. For now, let's take a look at our afternoon readings. 35 degrees out there at our weather station at Rutgers Gardens. Winds out of the east at 4 miles per hour, gusting only up to 7 miles per hour, but those will increase as that system edges closer into our region. Dew point 32 degrees leaves us at a humidity of 88%, so we finally have some moisture in our air after those dry spells for the past couple days. 0.23 inches of mercury for your pressure and only 0.04 of an inch of rainfall, but that will change as that system begins to edge closer. Do expect rain to increase in intensity through this afternoon and on into tonight. Heavy rain today and tomorrow. Temperatures will rise tonight, but we do expect a cool down tomorrow night as that system begins to leave our area and bring with it some cool air as it begins to drop down back behind it. Highs for today, 39 degrees up there in Hartford, 42 in Newark, 40 in Camden, 39 degrees down there in Baltimore, and then we have 34 in State College for today and 37 up there in Albany. Now we're also going to be warmer for tonight, so those lows aren't differing too much from those highs. 38 degrees in Hartford, 42 in Newark, 39 in Camden, 39 degrees as well in Baltimore, and then below freezing in State College, 31 degrees and 35 degrees up there in Albany, New York. Now taking a look at our satellite for today, you can see just how big this system is, and it's stretching pretty much covering the entire east coast with cloud cover, and that is causing some delays at our airports, which I'll have your travel forecast in just a little bit. But as this begins to pull its way into our area, winds will come out of the south, also coming in off the ocean as that system begins to move over, and that's keeping things warm for tonight, and that's why we'll see those temperatures rising for tonight. But after it passes through, we do expect some cold air to sink down from Canada, and that will keep things cold for Thanksgiving. But as we come back for today, 3 p.m. for your evening planner, 39 degrees. Chances some showers. Showers will linger on through 6 p.m. at dinner hour, 39 degrees holding, and then that temperature rise begins around 9 p.m. with those showers still lingering in our area, so make sure you have your raincoats handy as you move on for today. For today, high 40 degrees, showers increasing throughout the afternoon, winds out of the southeast at 5 miles per hour, which brings us on into night. Low only 39 degrees, so not differing too much from that high, and again, that will rise as those winds come in off the coast. Gusty, heavy rain, winds out of the east at 6 to 15 miles per hour. Make sure you have a raincoat at all if you are going to be out tonight. Now, if you're going to be traveling either tonight or tomorrow night to go home for Thanksgiving, please use some caution if you will be driving. Heavy rain tonight, showers tomorrow night, could even see some ice tomorrow night as the system moves out, the cold air drops in. Any moisture on the ground could freeze. We're looking at a low in the upper 20s, so that is below the freezing point, so we could see some ice after that system moves out of the way on any of those wet surfaces. Are looking at some delays and cancellations at Newark, LaGuardia, JFK, and Philadelphia International Airports. So if you are going to be flying anytime today or tomorrow, it looks like tomorrow those delays are going to get even worse as that weather worsens. So make sure you check with your airline if you will be flying home for Thanksgiving. And as I take a step out of your extended forecast, you can see high 58 degrees for tomorrow. So we are going to be mild as that system moves its way through, but we're looking at some heavy rain and heavy winds. Could see gusts up into the 20s. For tomorrow, high 58 degrees, dropping down to 28 at night, and again, that's what's going to cause those freezing conditions. Thanksgiving looking to be some clear skies, however, it is going to be windy. Actually, it's looking like we're going to see some gusts in maybe even into the 30s, could cause some problems with the parade, may not be able to bring in those big, huge balloons that they usually do. Temperature 35 degrees for your high, dropping down to the low 20s. And then as we move on through Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, that temperature begins to warm a little bit. 37 for your high on Friday, warming into the 40s for Saturday and Sunday, and those lows ranging between the low 20s and also into the mid 30s for your Sunday as that warming trend begins to take place. Now make sure you stay tuned to Weather Watcher as we keep you updated on this incoming nor'easter, and there's plenty of ways you can do that. You can check us out, RUTV Channel 6, every 15 minutes. You can also find us on Facebook. Our page is RU Weather Watcher. You can tweet us at our handle, RUTVWW. Just use hashtag RUWeather, and you can always find our forecasts online at rutv.rutgers.edu. I'm Tyler Case. Stay dry, Rutgers, and have a very happy Thanksgiving.